my name is Sachindeep Singh and I hope the sky is clear. Yet I am again with a really late time. So, but it's really sorry for you because you know that in the previous weeks I am really very busy on my work, as my priority is going to be done on that time, means obviously studies. But there is a advantage. I have learned some new things that I want to share with you guys, and really I have a lot of stuff to share. So this is my I think I am making a video after one. So as you see, the DPN title of the video is about good specifications for your astrophotography computer. Doesn't matter whatever you are using over here, the laptop, also the computer. I will share the both experiences in these fields about that, how to these computers manage the astrophotography things. Actually the most one is important here, the stacking and the processing part. So these are the main, really, that if you are going to be on the stacking way, so what the requirement should be there, and the stacking or the processing on the Photoshop and the pixel inside. So let's cover all. As on that time there is a too noise on the front yard, so I thought there's a completely, means not completely, but there's some silence on the roof. So let's talk about the topic. Computer actually for astrophotography. Astrophotography is something that you want to, if you are getting into it by the scratch, so many confusements are there. The PC, the post processing really sucks. So doesn't matter whatever device you have the minimum, I want to say, if you have 4GB RAM laptop or the i3 processor of 4th generation also, it will work fine. Really good to go. And the basic things that the high-ended software needed, the Photoshop, pixel inside, and it can be done in a very 2-core processor too. So if I talk about me, that I am using the 4GB RAM laptop, i3 5th generation, and the RAM is about DDR3, not DDR4. Actually my laptop has now completed 5 years on 19 November as my birthday. So that's it works really fine. When I started the astrophotography, it works. Not a problem is going to be faced over there. Only the stacking work is very needed for that process, and actually for the overall, that's the really good one. The last but not least, what are the minimum specs for your astrophotography computer? On this video I will cover only the stacking ones. Doesn't matter you are stacking through your mobile phone or your camera or the telescope. So only that part I will cover, and the post processing, which were the really good to handle, and most important, the video editing software too. The thing you should have is the thing you should now, you have minimum RAM. You should have the DDR4 8GB RAM of 26 MHz. I have the 16 MHz. Doesn't matter. That's the, you have more MHz, means the more the clock speed you attain on that time. So that's the speed of the RAM. And the processor, you have minimum i5 10th generation or 11 too, and the i7 will work really awesome. But if the minimum is the recommended is the i5. There is no need of graphic cards in astrophotography, but yes, if you are doing the video editing plus that's a GPI acceleration you can do afterwards. Your Photoshop can really handle on that time. But the video editing, you should need at least 4 GB of graphic cards in your system, because on that time you have to render multiple frames on that time, and the effects you are doing on the After Effects and the Premiere Pro. So I think the 4 GB is the really minimum of that time. The 8 GB and the 10 GB is really great to go on the video editing. Minimum 8 GB RAM, i5 4th generation, above 4th generation for Astro, and doesn't matter what integrated graphic cards you are using, or the the external way, the Nvidia and the Radeon graphic cards. So that's the work. That's all, guys. If I have any missed, or you have any doubt about the Astro, you can comment me down below, or the yes, have I missed anything, Bella? Oh, so the main thing is that the main option I've just forgot is the battery consumption and the display. These were the two most important things while you are doing the Astro processing or the any work on the PC. I am talking about this only the laptop one. The PC you can power through the home electricity and the home power supplies. So for the laptop you should at least have a battery up to 8 hours, minimum 8 hours, and the maximum you can go to the 13 to 14 hours, because if you are that's a laptop, so you can really you need to try to figure out that on the outside or anywhere you can go. So it's a portable thing, so you should add it on your bedroom, the guest room, drawing room, anywhere just, so that at least 8 hours of battery consumption you should have to purchase. And the thing next comes to the display. You should attain the sRGB or the Adobe RGB or the true color for the video editing or the display you can take for the laptops or the desktop too. So that's why it is because the video editing setup has really bright colors, because on that time you are going to show that on the audience on the TV, so that the true colors and the many audience can see that is actually what's happening on that time. So really true color laptop or a display is really needed for that. So is I'm correct, Bella? Anyways, thanks for watching my video. I hope you like the video. That if you want anything from me or the data for Astro, you can just comment me down below, or you can DM me on the Instagram or Facebook. My official pages you can see in the description link. I will just post over there. So just all, thanks for watching this video, and clear skies.